Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change our background in the Zoom meeting application, especially on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting application, and usually if we want to change our background, we have to go to the more option, and here we will have option to change our background. But unfortunately, there is no option to change my background. And if you have the same problem, don't worry, because I want to give you a trick to change your background, even though the change background option isn't available right here. If you want to change your background, you can go to your setting on your Android phone. You can open your setting, and here you have to open the advanced features, and you have to activate your video call effect feature. If you don't have this feature on your phone, so unfortunately you cannot change your background on the Zoom meeting application. But if you have this feature, you can simply activate this feature, and then you can click on it to set up the background image. And here you can add background image from your device. For example, here I have added some, and I'm going to add one more background. For instance, I'm going to select this one, guys. Just tap on that and tap on done. Okay, and we can go back to our Zoom meeting. I'm gonna open my Zoom meeting application, and here we can activate our video first, or our camera. I'm going to start the video, and this is the video call effect. You can click on this icon, and here you can select background since we want to change our background, and we can select image. Okay, and now as you can see that the background has been changed. And I guess that's how we can change our background in a Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.